Learn these color codes and you will never make mistakes when choosing or buying your extension. The black color is number 1, followed by the light black color, and the brown color is 33. We also have different shades of gray, 171 and the gray. So you need to learn these color codes, so each time you want to refer to any color, you refer to it by the code. Don't say red or brown or black, because there could be a lighter or darker shade of that color. So in this video you are going to learn not just the color codes, also you learn how to combine these colors and the color that blends best with each other. The color you can combine in this color, you see how we combined these two colors to get this metal gray, rusty gray or rusty metal. This is a very nice color. It's suitable for all complexion. You can also blend this. You can also use pink or any other bright color to design a darker color. This adds to the effect. Stay tuned in this video and you will learn a lot. It is a long video and is worth it. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to African A to Z Library, where we bring you the best insights and latest information in Africa. Enjoy. This is knotless braids with color 171. There is a slight difference between this color 171 and gray color. Although you can call it another shade of gray, it's a darker shade of gray here. And here is the gray color. If you don't like shawty colors or using color blends, you can also go for your black and strategically place gray or any other bright color of your choice, just to add the special effect and enhance your look. This is perfect on people with dark skin and wants to have black on their hair. If you crave to add plenty colors in your hair and you feel like the rainbow color is rather childish, this combination is good for you. It will give you that classy look and uphold your beauty. Place these colors a few distance above the other, like this, to get a color gradient combo.